Fall's coming. Is your system ready?
Pumpkin lattes, fallen leaves, and colder weather. Are you ready? Small Solutions is here to help with your heating needs. Maintaining your heating system before those frigid days is extremely important. Visit us online at smallsolutionsllc.com. Thank you.